Say hello to KIDFIX 3M, an even greater safety for your child. The newest member of our award-winning KIDFIX range. This high-back booster seat combines our proven safety features with even greater comfort and improved ergonomics in a new, modern design. One of these safety features is our superior side impact protection technology, SICT. In the event of a side impact, the risk to passengers is much higher than with a frontal collision because the car's protection zone is much smaller at the side than at the front. In addition to the head-to-hip protection provided by a high-back booster seat, SICT provides superior side impact protection. It's adjusted on the side of the seat closest to the door, minimizing the distance between the seat and door, reducing the impact forces on your child in a collision. During an impact, SICT, together with the side wings, deforms and absorbs the energy of the impact forces, diverting them into the seat shell before they reach your child. A plus in comfort, its V-shaped backrest provides optimum support to your growing child, with more space for their back and shoulders, while the V-shape ensures a cozy fit, even for smaller children. With its innovative safety features, KIDFIX 3M continues our tradition of exceeding industry standards, so that children from 15 to 36 kilograms, approximately 3.5 to 12 years, are ensured the highest level of safety and comfort.